Hi there! Do you want to download your LinkedIn CV in just a second? Quick, easy, and hassle-free. Stay tuned as I show you the fastest way to get your resume ready in no time. First, go to LinkedIn. Open your account and go to your profile. In your profile, below the picture and your name, you will see here tabs. Go to Resources, and you will see Save to PDF. Click this icon, and you will see that you will have a document to be downloaded here. Click the document, and that's it. In just a few clicks, you now have your LinkedIn CV ready to go. Super quick and easy, right? So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.